You're gonna get buried in there! We're having a blizzard.
It's time to find out if we've been able to make her look 10 years younger. We've made sure that
Look at the birdhouse. Look how high the snow is on top of there.
Until now.
And that's a post. I don't know if you can tell how high the snow is on the porch. It's on the window too. Let's try this window over here. It's got moisture in it. This is out my front door. I can't get it open because there's snow packed up a foot there and drifted onto the porch 2-3 feet, and it's still snowing.
Yep, blowing.
Yeah, I'm blowing. Can you see the little bird house I was talking about on the post? It's got like a foot of snow on top of it. Yeah, we got a nice drift over here. It's not blowing so bad right at the moment, but earlier you could just hear the wind whipping around. So yeah, we're in the middle of a blizzard. Stuck in the house. Gonna have to make videos. Oh yeah, here's what else we're doing since we're in the middle of a blizzard. Working on the Hard Rock Cafe puzzle.